This video will show you how to determine the mode of delivery for each course in which you are registered. To begin, we'll start at the home page and we will go to Quick Links on the top right and select Self-Service Banner. Once you log in, click the Student tab on the top and then click Registration. Select View Registration Information, and then I will indicate that I wish to view my courses for Spring 2021. I can determine the mode of delivery for each course by clicking on the course title and then clicking on Attributes. My first course, Career Planning and Development, under Attributes shows that this is a physical presence required course. That means that I am required to attend that course for some or all of the class periods physically, as determined by my instructor, and each instructor will provide additional information about the physical attendance requirements for those particular classes. My next class is Introduction to Global Literatures in English. By clicking on that and selecting Attributes, I can see that this course is fully virtual with meeting time. That means that I will never attend that class physically, but I will be responsible for meeting with the class for live instruction and interaction during the stated class time as indicated on my schedule. My next class is Principles of Marketing. Under Attributes, it shows me that this is fully virtual with no meeting time. That means this is a traditional online asynchronous course, meaning there is no meeting time assigned, there will be no live instruction, and I will be responsible for logging in and completing all assigned work in the class following the due dates as stated on the syllabus. However, there is no specific time during the day or week that I must log in to participate in class. My fourth course is Sociology of the Family, and looking at the attributes for that course, I see that this is a physical presence optional course. That means that I, as the student, have the option to attend the course physically or virtually, following the guidance provided by my instructor. I am never required to attend this course physically and could attend virtually the entire semester. I will follow my instructor's guidance regarding any physical attendance option if that is my preference. Also on this screen, you can click on this arrow and drag this up and see your week at a glance. And any courses that you have that do have a meeting time will show on your schedule here. If you have further questions about the mode of delivery for any of your courses or wish to see if there are other modes of delivery available for you, please consult with your academic advisor and have a great semester.